Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps stopping on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Magic Tiles 3. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi, Then you can turn on, you can go to force stop. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.